What's up, guys? We're here with not a cookbook recipe. It's not.
This is a pocket-saving, penny saver on a baller on a budget
Recipe. We did the macros. They're not too bad. Obviously, they're estimated a bit. We put them into MyFitnessPal. So we're gonna, they're estimates, obviously, to the best of our abilities. I'll show you guys the macros in a second, but I'll also tell you 310 calories, 18 grams of protein, 42 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat per cup and a half, was it, right?
Actually, I gotta redo that.
Why?
Well, because I was with just the cans of chicken.
Oh, well, we added...
We'll give you updated macros.
Yeah. But anyways, this recipe is called can chicken and can be made in one pan. So it's easy, it's cheap as shit, and this is the move. Guys, this is all you need, right? Minute rice, some good old chicken. Ours is already pre-portioned out. Cream of chicken soup, less sodium. And we tried to find cream of celery soup with less sodium, but it's not really a thing. And then we're using bone broth for extra nutrients, protein, and all the good stuff that's in it. And then your vegetable of choice, we chose broccoli, because Corey likes broccoli and a little bit of a crunch. But yeah, try to, if you can, find cream of celery with less sodium, since it is canned. But we couldn't find it, but that's okay. So first thing you're gonna do is cook up all your chicken. We gotta do it in 2 different batches, batch 1 and batch 2. And then we're gonna throw it in that bowl over there. So just cook up your chicken, get it nice and brown, and yeah. All right, so we updated the macros because last time we used this canned chicken stuff that we had, which is still really good, but this time we used chicken breast. We used 64 ounces for what, 8 servings, basically is what it makes. So the new macros are here. Again, we put it all into MyFitnessPal. 505 calories, 58.5 grams of protein, which is a fuck ton for one meal, 40 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of fat. So this meal is pretty good when it comes to hitting...
Pretty satiating.
Yeah, it's really, really filling. It's good on your high in protein. Sodium's a little high, but that's okay. It's canned stuff. Again, balling on a budget. So, anything to say?
I forgot to add in the broccoli.
Well... It's broccoli. It's 20 calories per serving.
It's vegetables.
It's vegetables. Calories. It's fine. If anything, it adds more protein, so it's fine. Let's throw it all together. So, the first step is rice. How much rice?
3 cups.
3 cups. Well, we're doing a double batch.
Yeah,
so So 3 cups of rice in the pan. Okay.
Right.
Next, we're gonna throw
2 cans of cream of chicken in there.
2 cans of cream of chicken. And it's funny because this looks absolutely gross, but it tastes really good.
Looks are always deceiving.
This is true.
You know what they always say, don't judge a book by its cover, right?
Ain't that the truth?
Oh, yeah.
Just the goopy mess that's condensed cream of chicken soup. You know, we can't say it's the healthiest for you, but if you're balling on a budget, we can make basically 16 batches for, you know,
next to nothing.
Around 30, 40 bucks.
Yeah.
So 16 meal preps for 40 bucks. Only because chicken's expensive. That's about it. Like,
yeah.
You know,
like we said, we used canned chicken the last time, so which will make it a little bit cheaper if you're really penny pinching, but we got the cream of celery going in here.
I'll give it a stir there. Next can. Okay.
Alright. Now this is the fun part.
So you basically take your bone broth or your water, you fill up a can in one of the cans, right? And that's how we cook the rice.
You don't have to do bone broth, you can do water. If you're really trying to save some money, we're just trying to add some extra nutrients into this. A little extra protein. So since we're doing a double batch, you do 2 cans.
And you give it a stir.
Give it a stir. And then we'll add the broccoli in that I like. Give it a little crunch and a little veggie.
So it's all stirred up now. We added the broccoli. And basically what you're going to do is once it starts to bubble, you're basically going to cook it for 5 minutes. And the rice will be done. You're following the Minute Maid rice instructions.
Essentially, yeah.
Whatever the rice box says, that's what you follow. And we're going to give it a cook here, and we'll be back in a little bit to taste it out. Alrighty, guys. So we got it here. This is what it looks like. It's a cup of the rice mixture. And sorry, we're shaking. My dog hit it. 6 ounces of cooked chicken or 8 ounces raw. Let's give it a try here, you know. That's good. I mean, for being what it is, right? Canned food.
Yeah.
Put together. It's gonna be pretty satiating and pretty filling, I could say that.
And it's a quick, easy recipe too.
It's very easy.
Like what? Total of everything, what, like 10-minute prep?
Probably. I think the longest thing it takes is cooking the chicken.
Yeah.
But flavor's good. Obviously, you can add more seasonings and spices to it to make it taste better. I think in my batch, I'll probably add some like lemon pepper or something to kind of give it a little bit more boost of flavor. But
lemon pepper, bro.
I mean, for being cost effective, macro friendly, easy to make, easily 8 to 9 out of 10, all said and done. Easy to meal prep. It's gonna be filling. I definitely think this is worth the make.
Yeah.
Yeah, you agree with that?
I mean, yeah. I mean, especially starting off, man. Not everyone's got the money.
Yeah. I'd say the most expensive part is the chicken.
Yeah.
Because meat itself is so expensive.
Yeah.
But I think overall this is bomb.
Yeah, it is.
Nice. All right, guys. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching. Follow us on our journey. I'll be probably posting my in-body here that I did today in the next couple days or so. It might already even be out depending on when I get this video done. And to tell you a little bit about the in-body, this was a month from eating from Greg's cookbook and taking basically a week off of the gym as well. So the muscle build isn't super great. You're also gonna see that I obviously was hitting the gym and losing weight before Greg's cookbook, but it is what it is. It was in 3 months into a month increment. I don't know when Corey's gonna get on the in-body again, but because it's kind of far away for us. But when we get his, we'll post his as well. So
Probably
yeah,
mine in a month.
and probably in a month. All right. Anything else?
No, you know,
Cool.
stay buff, get that protein in.
Yeah. Average Bros out.